Welcome back to another video of CCNP Security. In this video, we'll be looking at the malware and file policies. I'll go to my policies and I will go to my malware and file policies. So why do we create for malware and file policies? That to detect the malware within a file. So since there are no default policies created for you, just click on add new policy and give it a name like malware and hyphen file hyphen policy. If you like, you can give it a description. Click on save. Now you can create a rule in this one. Click on add rule, and I say that I want to detect what type of file I want to detect, or what kind of action you want to take, like detect the files or block the files, or you want to malware cloud lookup or block the malware within the files. So for example, within your organization someone is downloading the file, you want to block the malware within the file, then you can select this option. Or if you want to detect how many members are trying to download the file regularly, then you can go ahead with this one. Or you want to block them from downloading any files, then you can go ahead with this one. So malware cloud lookup is the synchronization with your Cisco database, which is the AMP. If you like, you can configure that one here, but since we do not have the AMP, we are not going to see this option. So pretty straightforward. Detect means only detecting, block means blocking, and block the malware. So just click on block malware, and you see here what you want to store it. You want to store the malware or something, what kind of file it is or something. But since it's a malware, so I'm not going to store it, but I'm going to clean that one. Sparrow analysis, that's another type of analysis. Or you want to go with dynamic analysis, capacity handling, you can go with the different options over here. Or reset connection, I will remove this one because otherwise it will keep on resetting the connection for the particular host. Like protocol, what kind of protocol you want to looking for on HTTP, SMTP, or email one. If I want to see all these protocols, then I will select any. If you're looking for a particular one, then you can select any one of those. And directional, it can be upload or download, so I am interested in both, whether they are uploading or whether they are downloading. I am interested in both. Now next come the another thing is that what type of file category, and within that file category you do have many things. So for example, I want to block someone from downloading the zip files. So where is that one? Zip files. So you do have a zip, you click on archive files. Okay, there are 19 categories within this one, all of them will be blocked. Within this one there is also a zip, so which I wanted to block it. If you wanted to block the encoded files or PDF files or Word files, still you can do it over here. So if you click on the office document over here, you do have like different kinds of, click on this one and I will untick this one. So when I check mark this one, you can see the different file extensions. Right, so for now I just want to block the zip file, so I will click on the archive and I'm blocking all the categories within that zip file. Click on add. So I have added a category, not a particular extension of the file. Total category which consists of different extensions over here, and click on save. You must add MXC to the selected list to use a superhero sparrow analysis. So what I will do, would just remove it for now and click on save. Selected file type must be in the dynamic analysis capable category. So the category which I have selected, the dynamic analysis doesn't support it. So I will go with the local malware analysis and save it. And you must add a file tab or category to support local malware. Okay. And I will also remove that one and I will just go with the blocking scanning of the malware. Click on save and click on save. So there are different analysis which we do not have, so that's why I'm not able to apply those things. So what I will do, I will go ahead now and I will add this policy. So where do we add this policy? I'll go to my policies, action control policy. And now if you remember in the previous lab in the pre-filter, we have some option to go with the pre-filter one. Okay, I will edit this one. So you were able to add the pre-filter policy somewhere over here top. So you do have a pre-filter option over here, you do have an SSL policy over here, you do have the identity policies over here. So you have the categories over here, so you were able to apply it over here. But remember, intrusion policy and the file and malware policy will be applied to the rule, not to the whole policy. So I'm applying for a particular traffic only, malware detection or intrusion policy, intrusion detection. So this is a rule. So this is the whole thing is a policy. If there are multiple rules, then that comes under the whole policy. But in multiple rules, you are applying for a particular traffic, matching a particular traffic, then you can go ahead and you can apply there for the file and malware policy. So if I click edit over here, I'm editing this rule now. And now you see that you have an option like UTBD, or if you go ahead, you see that files no inspection. Click on that one and you are taken into the inspection one. And now you have the file policy over here. You can select your created file policy. You can click over here directly, it will be taken over here, or you can come directly to this tab. Both of them are same. So for now I have the file policy. I advertise the file policy now, and I will click on save and save. And now I will deploy it to my FTD. Click on deploy, deployment. So before deploying, keep checking. So I will expand this one, I will check it, and I will go ahead and I will deploy. So that's how you create your file and malware policy, and that's how you will apply a file and malware policy. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.